In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MyQ app. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see the familiar colorful icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This app is where you can find all the applications available for download. By tapping on this icon, you are taking the first step toward accessing a wide array of tools and apps that can enhance your daily life. Once the Play Store opens, you'll be greeted by a clean interface featuring various categories and recommendations. Next, you will need to search for the MyQ Garage and Access Control app. At the top of the screen, there is a search bar where you can type. Simply tap the search bar and enter MyQ Garage and Access Control. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you easily locate the app you want without scrolling through endless options. Once you see the app in the search results, this confirms you are on the right path. Now let's tap on the MyQ Garage and Access Control app in the search results. This action takes you to the app's dedicated page where you can find more details about its features and benefits. On this page, you will see an overview, ratings, and user reviews. This information can help reassure you about the app's quality and functionality. Understanding what the app offers is crucial because it ensures that it meets your needs for garage door control and monitoring. Next, you will need to tap the Install button. This button is usually green and is prominently displayed on the app's page. By tapping Install, you initiate the download and installation process. This step is essential as it allows the app to be saved on your device, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. After you tap Install, you will need to wait for the installation to finish. During this time, a progress bar will appear, indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's important to allow this process to complete fully, as interrupting it could lead to incomplete installation. Patience is key here, and soon you will be able to use the app. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tap on it to launch the MyQ app for the first time. This action brings you to the app's welcome screen where you will begin your setup process. Opening the app is a significant milestone as it marks the beginning of your smart garage experience. Now you need to sign in or create a MyQ account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you are new to MyQ, select the option to create a new account. This step is crucial because having an account allows you to save your settings and access your devices from anywhere. Once your account is set up, you will have full control over your garage access, which adds a layer of convenience and security to your life. Next, the app will request permissions for Bluetooth, location, and notifications. Make sure to allow these permissions as they are necessary for the app's full functionality. Bluetooth enables your device to communicate with the garage door opener, while location helps in setting up geofencing features. Notifications keep you updated on the status of your garage door, enhancing your control and awareness. This step is vital because it ensures the app operates smoothly and effectively. Finally, follow the on-screen steps to add your garage door opener or smart device. The app will guide you through the setup, often requiring you to press certain buttons on your opener. By completing this process, you integrate all your devices into the MyQ app, allowing for seamless control. Once set up, you will enjoy the convenience of managing your garage door from your smartphone. This final step is what transforms your experience, making it easier and more efficient to handle garage access.